This is a tutorial to assist the school administrator on how to invite parents to use ChildCloud. Please note that only the school administrator can send invitations, not the teachers. So you'd log into your administration portal, click the parents icon at the top, click on View Invite Parents. Okay, it loads this page. You would have had to have obviously loaded your children and the parents prior to this, so you'd be able to upload the children's profiles here. Once you've loaded all the parents and all the children, it's pretty straightforward. You've got the invite status link over here. You can click the question mark to view the different statuses like invite Edward, registered, and the sent and the resend invite button. You have the ability, so let's just quickly, I think the most important thing here is just to click the invite status button first. What that does, it filters it very neatly for you. So you can see who's registered in a line, who hasn't been registered, and who has been sent an invitation. So just working through these buttons, registered means that the parent has been sent the invitation, they've registered, they've typed in a password, and they are actively using the site. Invite the parents, obviously invite Edward as the parent's name. It's quite straightforward. You click the invite button. This is the invitation email the parent would get, and you click send message. So it says your invite to Edward has been scheduled, which means it'll be sending within the next 10 to 15 minutes. Click invite status. Now the red buttons, if you've sent the invitation previously, it'll give you the date of when the invitation was sent. If that parent says to you that they never received the invitation, and they've got problems with, maybe they've got a very strong spam filter, all you have to do is you click this little icon, pulls up this personalized link, copy that link, okay, and then you could open up WhatsApp, for example, and you could paste that link into a WhatsApp, an SMS, or an email, and send that link to the parent directly. They'll then be able to log in and create a password. So if I had to click resend invite, for example, for David Whitehead, and I'll scroll back down and I click on there, I can see that invitation was sent on the 21st. If in a week's time he hasn't got it, you could either resend the invitation via email again, or quite simply just click on the button again, and that would resend it to him. The parents, from the parent side, they get the email. Once they've registered and they've logged in, they'll log straight into their child's dashboard, and they'll have full access to that child's profile, their child's profile, and obviously any information that you have uploaded. So it's fairly important that you would first upload content onto your school site. For example, news, reminders, the gallery, creating a virtual classroom, just having some sort of content for the parent to view when they do log in. I hope that's useful. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.